Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you are all safe at your home. Stay home, stay safe. And today we are going to learn about our favorite subject, environmental science, for the grade 3. We are discussing about the lesson safety, keeping safe. Already we have discussed about accidents. What is meant by accidents? Accidents may occur anywhere, anytime without giving any warning. Accidents usually occur due to our carelessness. We should follow safety rules all the time to avoid accidents. Now we are going to discuss about the safety at home. What we are going to see now? Safety at home. We must follow these safety rules at home. Never play with sharp things like blades, knife and scissors. We should not play with sharp things like blades, knives and scissors. They can cut your skin. Use them only in the presence of an adult. We have to use these sharp things only in the presence of our adult because they can cut your skin. Do not touch electric wires, plugs and sockets, hot irons or heaters. They can give you electric shock. We should not touch electric wires, plugs, sockets, hot irons or heaters because they give us electric shock. We should not play with matchsticks or fire. They can burn your skin. We should not play with matchsticks or fire because they burn your skin. Never touch the gas stove and hot plates or peep into any utensil on stove in the kitchen. We should not touch the gas stove and hot plates or peep into any utensil on stove in the kitchen. Never climb on windows and shelves. You may fall down and hurt yourself. We should not climb on windows and shelves. Do not run down the steps. You may fall down and hurt yourself. While walking in the step, we have to walk. We should not run. Never leave your toys on the floor. You may trip over them and fall down. We should not leave your toys on the floor. We have to keep it in a separate place because we can trip over them and fall down. And these are the safety rules which we have to follow at home. And now we are going to see about safety rules which we have to follow in the classroom. Safety in the classroom. We must follow these safety rules in the classroom. Do not push anybody or throw things at anyone, even in fun. Even while playing, we should not push anyone or throw things at anyone. Never run on stairs. Always form queue while walking on the stairs. While walking on the stairs, we should form a queue and then walk, and we should not run on the stairs. Do not jump on desks or run in the class. You may fall down and hurt yourself. While moving in the class, we should walk and we should not jump on desks. Do not hang or swing on windows. If one glass breaks, it may hurt you. We should not hang or swing on windows because it will hurt us. You should always sharpen your pencil with sharpener. Never use a blade to sharpen your pencil because while using a sharpener it may be safe, but while using a blade it may cut your finger. So we have to use sharpener to sharpen our pencil. So far we have discussed about the safety rules which have to be followed in the classroom and the safety rules which have to be followed at home. I hope you have all understand about the topics that we have discussed now. Next, we are going to see about the new topic, first aid. What is meant by first aid? Yes, after an accident, the first help given to an injured person is called first aid. After an accident, the first help given to an injured person is called first aid. When we get hurt, we must immediately tell an adult. When we get hurt, we must immediately tell an adult. Our teachers in school or parents at home are always there to help us. Either in school or in home, we have to get help from them because they are all always with us. They give us first aid. The first aid box at our home or school should have bandage, grip bandage, antiseptic cream, a pair of scissors and a pain relieving spray. The first aid box at our home or school should have bandage, grip bandage, antiseptic cream, a pair of scissors and a pair of relieving spray. Now we are going to see about first aid for small cuts. What is the first aid for small cuts? If the wound or cut is small, we should first wash it with water. We have to first wash the wounded area with water. Next, clean the area with a cotton having antiseptic lotion. Next, we have to apply antiseptic lotion. Then, tie bandage or clean cloth over the wound. Next, we have to tie a bandage or a clean cloth over the wound. What are the first aid for small cuts? Yes, if the wound or cut is small, we should first wash it with water, then clean the area with a cotton having antiseptic lotion, and finally we have to tie bandage or with clean cloth over the wound. And next we are going to see about first aid for burns. What is the first aid for burns? Yes, when we get a burn, we must immediately put the burn area under cold water or apply ice. I hope you know that how to first aid for small cuts and for burns, and I hope you understand about the topics that we have discussed today. What are the topics that we have discussed today? Yes, safety rules at the home and safety rules in the classroom and about first aid. Thank you, my dear children. Have a nice day.